Here at National, we start adjusting early. Our technique classes are live. And by that I mean it's hands-on from day one. We actually manipulate each other in our technique system. And I'm going to contrast that with some other schools where you mostly learn setups but do not actually adjust each other in class. And I think that that's a very important distinction to make. You actually learn how to thrust and how to adjust in our technique classes. And to me, that would make all the difference in the world.